Yes. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm from Lucknow, and I'm here to give my feedback on the 2 weeks SML course. I came to know about this course from my brother. He's preparing for SSB. He suggested me to get into this course. Actually, I'm not an SSB student. I'm a law graduate. I'm preparing for judicial services. So initially, I was reluctant to join this because I thought, sir, give guidance on SSB, so maybe it will not be very helpful for me. But initially, I was reluctant, but eventually, I decided to give it a try. So I joined this course, and as my brother was saying, it will be a very life changing experience. You must do this. So when I joined it, I was not very hopeful of this course, but I must say it was a life changing experience. And sir, this is not just words coming out of my mouth. So I have experienced it. I've actually experienced it. Like before joining this course, I was a bit demotivated in some conflicts and all. But sir, now after completing this 2 weeks, I feel that confidence, that energy in me. I feel like yes, I can change. I can change me. I can change everything around me. So sir, uh, some people can ask how in 14 days कैसे ऐसे change हो सकता है. So sir, it's not the case कि in 14 days you will become a version 2.0 of yourself, but you will learn what's wrong, what's right, what needs to be corrected, and how to do that. So that is important. So process तो चलता रहेगा बाद में भी. But sir, this realization is important, and that I have realized in this course. Like from so many exercises like Johari window, SWOT analysis, lifeline analysis, situation analysis. So I came to know about my strength, my weakness, my belief system, value system, which I some values I didn't know about, some good, some bad, and I came to know uh, what impact these things are having on me, and how I have to uh, analyze. I have to go to the past. I have to analyze कि सर ये गलती हुई इस weakness या इस strength की वजह से ऐसा हुआ, and what change can I apply in future, in present and in future, so that I get a better life ahead. And there are some other exercises in last week, like modules MIS of self, memory management, relationship management. From those modules, I learned how our mind works, the relation between our mind and our intellect. So sir, the way you explained sir wo bai and makan malik wala concept, sir, it was very helpful. This was a complex thing to understand, but you made it very easy. And I realized ki ha sir, my mind maybe is not working according to me, it should work according to me. So now I came to know कि कैसे mind को अपने control में रखना है, कैसे उसके साथ cooperate करके चलना है. It's not always कि self criticism is also not a way to deal with things. Neither दूसरे का criticism nor अपना criticism. So कैसे उसे cooperate करके चलना है, so that we get desired result. So, and especially that relationship management wala module was very helpful for me. So as I'm having some conflicts in relationships, so sir, that I realized ki whatever situation is happening around me, maybe it is not in my control, but what can I do to make my, because if I'm doing something, it will make me better. I'm not doing some ehsan on somebody else. So it will help me if I'm doing changes in me, and if I'll change myself, then eventually others will change, eventually the situation will also change. So sir, this is the thing which I learned. And the most important thing is that I feel that I have the capability to implement this in the future. ऐसा नहीं है कि सर आई लर्न दिस थ्योरेटिकली कि ऐसा ऐसा हो गया, तो ओके सुपरफिशियली आई अंडरस्टूड, थ्योरेटिकली आई अंडरस्टूड इट in my conscious level. Now I know that what I have done, what should be done now, and what capability I have to do in future. And sir, one thing I would like to add, sir, if with your permission, it's apart from this module.
Sure.
Sir, the way, sir, you're a great person. The way you showered care for me, for all students here, the way you show attention to everybody's problems, and sir, जो आप so connection, sir, आप जिस तरह से establish करते हैं, sir. So you have become a father figure to me, sir. Sir, I'm very grateful to you. And sir, yes, sir. This is
yeah, you joined with your brother's insistence, and let me tell you, Vaishnavi, from the day one to this day, each day from the starting 2-3 दिन के बाद, I could see the change, and I'm sure you'll continue that. Vaishnavi, is SML का जो basic tagline है वो है कि if you can manage the world inside you, you can manage the
You can
world
manage the world
outside you.
outside you.
So
Yes, sir.
what you would have realized is also a lot of problems in your life were existing, but they got complicated and magnified because of our faulty thinking pattern. And
Yes, sir.
you got caught up in your own web of thoughts. Matlab,
Yes.
your problem got multiplied and magnified because of that, you know, faulty thinking.
Negative thinking,
Negative
overthinking. Yes,
thinking.
sir.
So, critical thinking is important to understand the problem. Beyond that, if you get into that, it complicates life. It is like
Yes.
it is like your mind working against you instead of for you. Your
Yes,
mind
sir.
working,
That's what was happening, sir. But
that was
through this
working.
course, I now realize that,
Yeah.
yeah, sir, this
So
is the problem.
there was an imbalance amongst your internal faculties.
Yes.
Your mind was controlling your decisions in life. Emotions were clouding your reason. Your emotions were clouding your reasons. That's why kya ho gaya? You are an intelligent person, but your intelligence itself was working against you. And I'm sure
Yes.
this realization and the kind of intelligence you have, you will be able to recreate that balance within you.
Yes, sir. I'm sure, sir. I
And
feel that confidence that I will be able to do it.
only thing you have to do, make sure is that balance has to be constantly developed till it becomes part of your new personality. That it will take
Yes,
time.
sir.
Like you said, 14 days mean nobody can change, neither me. Only thing that I
Yes,
can
sir.
do is I can make Vaishnavi realize that there are certain pattern of thinking, certain belief system that needs to be recalibrated.
And so this many people, many YouTube videos and many books, they try to make us realize कि sir ये ऐसा है. But sir उनमें पढ़ के sir एक superficial understanding होती है. So
Yeah.
like इस course में sir, like you showed us the mirror, like you opened up our mind and जैसे कि देखो ये problem है sir. ये जो constructive तरीके से आपने समझाया sir, उससे वो चीज बैठ गई है दिमाग में.
Vaishnavi,
So this is the
one of the problem with our Indian education system is we read them at an intellectual level.
yes sir.
We are not able to feel that. So there is a gap between our ability to understand that book and our ability to implement. Knowledge
Yes.
wahan pe bhi hai. It's the same knowledge. Where I'm getting this knowledge? Through my readings only. The problem is those books will give you the knowledge, but that's theoretical knowledge, that implementation is the problem. Implementation
Yes sir.
उस knowledge को जीवन में apply करना is the problem.
Apply करना, yes.
We read it theoretically, we understand it theoretically, we feel good for some time, and then we come back to our old pattern. Here, whatever I'm doing, I'm actually compelling you not only to understand, to feel and to apply. And when you apply, you find there are small changes that encourages you to bring bigger changes. And when you do it in life, it starts manifesting in all domains of your life, be it SSB or be it your judicial service or whatever relationship.
Yes, so that's what I felt. That's I'm not going for SSB, but this is equally helpful for me. सर कहीं से भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि सर ये मेरे लिए मतलब helpful नहीं हो रहा है.
The only difference between life and SSB is life में characters are real. In SSB के TAT में characters are paper character, but your thinking is same, be it life or be it SSB. So SSB is a subset of that's why these classes can be attended by anybody. Even SSB classes can be attended by your parents because you can relate to that. So very good. Knowing you was very nice, Vaishnavi, and I hope you will, come out of whatever challenges you're facing like a shining star, which you are already.
Yes, sir.
And keep in touch.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Yes, sir.
And Parth, your brother Parth, who suggested he's a younger brother, please thank him.
Sir.
Please
yes,
genuinely thank him because he deserves that thing. It is his concern that made him brought you here.
Yes, sir.
So दीदी बन के डांटने की बजाय उसको जरा acknowledge करो so that he feels good about himself कि मैंने दीदी को
Yes, I have done that actually, sir.
God bless you, Vaishnavi. It was nice knowing you.
So thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.